For today's recipe, I got pampano and the other one over there. Okay guys, put 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of vinegar. Okay. I put some water, 1/3 cup, and then 1 tablespoon of mustard. Okay. And then guys, lagay natin yung juice ng timbits. Then kalahati ng tomato sauce. Then guys, lagyan natin ng salt, black pepper, salt and pepper, okay? And then mix it well. And then lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon of cornstarch para pampalapot. Then guys, sinutay ko yung carrots and bell peppers and onions, okay? Okay guys, nilagay ko na yung sauce. Okay? Just wait para kumulo yung sauce. Then guys, lagay ko na yung timbits. Timbits pineapple. Then guys, tapos na yung sauce natin, yung vegetable. Then lagay na natin to on top of the pampano. Okay guys, my pampano sweet and sour is already done. Lagyan natin ng scallion on top para maganda tignan. Bye bye. Take care. Please like and share. God bless. Okay guys, tikman ko yung pampano ko. Masarap. Thanks for watching.